There's a couple little pieces left in your bag, and that's these zipper pulls here. So we're just going to go ahead and add those to all these zippers. It's pretty easy. You do what's called a lark's head. Stick the loop up through, then stick the toggle in there. That locks it in. Put that on all our zipper pulls, including the one on the inside. Optional, totally optional. But obviously helpful. A couple other things we can do. Take some of these raw edges of web, and just like we did on the sternum strap, fold them over on themselves and lock them down. Just going to clean up the edge, prevent anything from falling apart. Nice. On the harness, you can feed those up and through. Just like that. And lock those raw edges down. Nice. All right, last step is to unfold this. Very easy, you just reach underneath it, pinch, and push, and that'll unfold on itself. So now you've got a completely finished JASPR roll top day hiker. Awesome job.